Assalamualaikum sir, I am Siti Nabila Rahma and here I will explain about nature of language, articulation, consonant, vowel, and diphthongs. The first, language is something which is used by other people in order they can communication. And communication is interaction between people in order they can share the information. And there are two types of communication, that's oral and written, and that's all based on media what they use for. An example is people and animal. People have concept here and now, there and later, but the animal just have here and now. And the articulation is movement that happen in lip, tongue, palate, and other speech organ to produce the voice. The meaning of language is the configuration and interaction of the articulation. The place of articulation is described where the consonant distraction is happen in the vocal tract by the placement of tongue or by lip configuration. Consonant is sound or alphabet that is not a vowel. Consonant is produced by stopping the air or the lips or by touching the teeth by the tongue. And vowel is sounds that produced when the breath of the air is flows out without closing the teeth or tongue or lips. And last is diphthong. Diphthong is the vowel sound which is tongue change position to produce the two of the sounds of two vowels. Thank you, and that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum sir, I'm Andi Nadia. Want to explain prosody, suprasegmental, diacritic, phoneme, and allophone. Prosody is propertive of syllable and a large unit of speech and include the rhythm, intonation, and the stress and that known as suprasegmental. Suprasegmental is speech feature such as stress, tone, and word gesture that accompany or added over consonant and vowel. Diacritic symbol is a mark placed above below a letter in order to indicate a letter sound is different with letter without the diacritic symbol. Phonemes is unit of sound that distinguish one word from another word on particular language. Phonemes is the difference in speech sounds or gesture regardless of importance of meaning of the word. In contrast with the phoneme of phoneme exchange, for another phonemes it will change the meaning. Allophone is one of the several possible speech sound or phonemes or sign used to produce one phonemes in particular language.
Assalamualaikum sir, I'm Hilma Fauzia. I want to explain about phonemes. Allophonemes, diacritic features, grapheme, and morphonemic. Phonemes is unit of sound that distinguish one word from another word in particular language. Allophone is one of the several possible speech sounds or phonemes or signs used to pronounce one phoneme in particular language. Diacritic features is the most basic unit in phonological structure that may be analyzed in phonological theory. Grapheme are defined as the snail's way of writing that correspond with sounds or more actually as phoneme X. Phonotactic is branch of phonology that discuss limitation or in a language on the permissible combination of phonemes. Morphonemics is branch of linguistics that studies between morphological and phonological or phonetic process.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Cahya Abdelia. I want to explain about prosodic phonology and morphonology. First, prosodic phonology. A stress syllable which can be marked by acute action is preserved or more prominent than unstressed syllable, showing following example: preferred verb. Don't prefer the ID. The meaning of vowel in the Arabic word which is pronounced amin is different from the word pronounced as amin. Is so different that a line in Arabic is very meaningful. It distinct of utterance in Arabic. Intonation in Japanese linguistic of that distinguish lexical or word level meaning. Example hashi or hashi. Second, morphonology. In the vocalizer, the addition TC in the word copy the affected by presence of other word sound and distributor which constant the sound TCR as the final syllable. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.